Hey everybody and welcome. This is Brandy with Sunshine Plans and Stickers. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new here, hi. Glad to see you. If you're returning, hey, how are you? Thanks for coming back. I appreciate the support. Today I'm going to be working on my April Currently page, and I am going to be using the rest, well, not the rest, that would be way too many stickers, but I'm going to be using stickers that I got from a downloadable kit from Polly Plans. I used this in my creative journal page, and I wanted to continue with this theme for April because I just love the little bunnies. So they're just so cute, and I love the colors. So what I've done is I'm going to use this kit. It's got some really neat things in it. And I have also pulled out Calibo Plans rainbow quotes. And I have pulled out Calibo Plans Dated Basics. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this April right here from Dated Basics because I think it's just so pretty. And the colors really match well with the colors that are in here. So I'm going to cover this up. And I know it's 2023, so I'm not going to worry about, that's so cute. I'm not going to worry about putting 2023 on there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I found this quote. I've started, oops, sorry, I hit the camera. I've started putting quotes on my Currently pages, and I found this one, and it kind of, it matches my word of the year. My word of the year is progress. So I chose this one because my birthday is coming up. My birthday is Saturday. If you're watching this video on Saturday, today's my birthday. And, you know, it's a big one. It's the big 50 for me. And so, I don't know. Sorry about all the ums. It just feels like I need to, at this point in my life, reevaluate things, see how things are going. I mean, I know we do that all the time, but I think right now it's important for me to do that. So anyway, this goes with my word of the year, which is progress. And it says you can make progress or excuses, but not both. And I kind of like that a lot. So I am going to cover this part up here because I'm not going to use the priority and goals part or anything, and I'm not gonna use this for important dates. This is Papermate Dryline Ultra that I got from Amazon. It is amazing. I love it. Best whiteout ever. So we're gonna say you can make excuses. You can make progress. Sorry. No, don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. You can make progress or excuses, but not both. I like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this. I like this little cute. Like, okay, it's a bunny butt. Yes, that's what it is a bunny butt with a bow, but it's just so darn cute. Yeah. So we're gonna put this, and I know that's not gonna be straight, but I kind of don't want it straight. We're gonna do this over here because this is kind of all going to be decoration, I think. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'll put the boxes over here. I want to use this, but it says Happy Easter. You know what? I'm going to use it anyway because Easter is in April. So we're still going to use this, Happy Easter, and I'll put a little something to cover that up. Okay, let's see what we have. Not a big fan of these flags, but this one with the house might be cute. Just to kind of put over that white out there. Or maybe the gingham. Plaid, gingham. What do you call it? Do you call it plaid? Do you call it gingham? What is it really called? Here, actually, I think we're going to do two. We're going to do that. And we're going to do that. Just because. Okay. And then I want something at the bottom. This kit was a downloadable kit that I got, and I noticed all of these things that say little things right here. So what I'm going to do with those is I'm going to use all of these little boxes, or not all of them, but a lot of these little boxes, and just put the random little boxes on here and put the little things above it. Just to remember little things in April that happened, memories that I want to take note of. Okay, this I love a lot. I didn't use it in my creative journal spread, and I'm glad I didn't, so that I have it to use here, because I had some other bigger washi that I used. And I do want to go across the top with it, I think. But I don't know, do I want to divide it like that? No, I think I'm just going to go across right up here. Let's turn this upside down and go across up here like this, just like that. Oh, look, and I don't even have to worry about punching the hole. Put my scissors up. There we go. Now, there we go. Okay, and then I can actually use this little piece over here. Is that centered? No, it's not, huh? Let's see if we can get this centered a little bit better. And I think that's crooked, but that's okay. All right. So here we go with that. Now, the only big boxes that are here are these like this. I don't want ones with days of the week. So what I might do, let's see, let's pull off the blue and the yellow, because right now we've got lots of green and peach. So let's pull this off, and I can still use the little things headings. Use this, and then I think use the green. I was going to use little boxes, which I think I still am, but I want to use these as well, I think. I kind of don't want it too much in a line like that. I do want to turn it a little bit here. How about we do this? Like that. And I still want to put, let's see, let's use a peach one above this one, and this can be a list of little things that I want to remember from April. And then I like these little boxes right here. These are very cute, and I think I'm going to use those above it. They have just that little splash of glitter on them, which I think is really cute. So let's put these, I don't want to put these up here because then there's a blue. So let's put these down here towards the bottom and do this one like that. And this one a little off like that. This one's going to go on top here. I know these aren't perfectly lined up, but it's going to be okay. And this right here. And then I want something down here. Let's see, what do we have? There are some cute. Oh, look, here we go. This needs to go down here. This little wagon. Like that. And then the little watering can go here. And then, oh look, what if we put the little bunny in the center? I should have covered that up, huh? That's okay. We're gonna do it now. We're gonna cover that up. We're gonna cover that up. Covers most of it anyway. we're gonna put this sweet little bunny dancing down here like that. Cute, cute, cute. And then there's room here for, yeah, I think I'm gonna put the little birdhouse. Like right here. That is really cute. I like that. Okay. What else? I need more stuffses, you guys. I have all of these stickers. Look at the little bow ones. Aren't they cute? I used some of these. I used one of those. There's glitter ones in here too, which, again, I'm not a huge fan of glitter, but when it can't come off, that makes it great. Okay. Let's see. I kind of want to use this. So one thing I want to mention is, if you've noticed, there is a white outline on the outside of this. That has nothing to do with what came from Polly Plans. My Cricut was not calibrated, or I hadn't calibrated it in quite a while, and so therefore when I print and cut these, it did not do well. So, disclaimer, it is not the file that I got from Polly Plans that is creating that white. It was my Cricut. So, I just wanted to mention that. Okay, and then we'll see, but the blue's right there. So what about the green and the yellow? Not quite sure what I'm going to use these for, but I can list some things out. I could kind of make a box with it. Ooh, that's an interesting idea. Okay, hang on. Here are some glitter headers. I don't know what you would call them. That's an interesting idea. Let's just make it a multicolored little box. We're gonna line that up like that. And should I use, I think I'm gonna use a blue. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. And do this with this. I know this is probably really strange, really different. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And do I want to face them? Oh no, because that would make them upside down. I mean backwards. Yeah, you know what I mean. We're gonna do that. And we're gonna do that. That is kind of cute. Look at that. I like it. That came out really cute. Okay, so let's do that again with something else. Maybe the little bows. So let's use all 4 colors this time. Okay. So I have a blue bow. So this needs to go, I think I'm going to use this like at the bottom and the top. Let's do it at the, well, but then that blue's right there. That's okay. There's lots of blue around. No, if I do it this way, it kind of separates it, huh? Okay. So we're going to use the blue. And we're going to use the pink, and then we're going to do green and yellow. Okay. Okay, hang on. So we're going to take a yellow like this, just in a random spot here. Oh, that's kind of crooked. Okay, I got to fix that. That's not... Let's see if I can get this down straight here. Okay. See if I can line it up with the dots a little bit better here. Is that better? I think so. And we're going to take the blue, stick the blue on this side. like that. And then let's see, the green. Oh, I have the green in on my hand. Not in my hand, but on my hand. But let's, you know what? Let's do this. Instead of layering it, let's go ahead and align it like this. I think that is going to look better. And then try and get it as lined up and straight as best I can. And then we're going to use the peach one on this side, like this. Oh, look, that looks like a little picture frame. Oh, you guys, that came out cuter than I thought it was going to. Nice, I like it. I like how that came out. Okay. Let's use, here's some little bows. I want a couple of more of the boxes that say little things though. So I want to put them, there's boxes with stitching. I like these. These are really cute. So let's use, well, that's peach right there. So let's use 2 of these, 3 of these. How could I use all 3 of those? 1, 2, 3 without it looking strange. I don't think I can. I think we're just going to have to go 2 and 2, and I think I'm going to go with the green and the blue since I have, well, but blue's right there too. Okay, peach and green it is. Or I could use a different yellow one. I know, decisions. I wish, oh look, ta-da, a yellow stitched one. And then a green stitched one. Nice. Let's put that over there. And we're gonna put the green one here. Kind of still keep going with the cattywampus layout, except these 2 I'm gonna do like this actually. And we're gonna do a yellow little things right here. And then the green little things right here. That is not lined up, but it's okay. Look, that is so cute. I am so happy with the way these came out. I like that. Okay, any other little, I know I don't like the flags, but this one has like eggs and stuff on it. It's cute. I'm gonna add this to this side over here. I think that looks better. Okay, I don't need any numbers, although I could put 2023 underneath here, but I don't think I will. Anything, let's see. Don't need any of that because it's more memories page, I think. Let's see, let's use these little clips. These little clips are cute. And maybe like that, like we're clipping. Oh, yeah, that's kind of cute. Okay, what else? There's that cute little clipboard. Sorry, I'm saying cute a lot too, huh? I don't think I need any of the rest of this. Meal, grocery shopping. I think that's it. I think we're done. I like it. It'll be a cute little memories page for me to write down things that I want to remember for the month of April. And I think in one of these glitter boxes is where I'm going to put my birthday. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked this video. Again, this kit was from Polly Plans on Etsy. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, please. And I hope you want to see more of my videos. I hope you have a great week. I hope you have a great Easter. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.